Hi guys, Ben from Flow Brackets again. Today we've got in this beautiful GLS 450D and we're going to show you how to do a OEM plinth delete using our two-part mounting solution, which comprises of a OEM plinth delete kit or a miniature plinth and a matching number plate bracket. Let's get into it. First, let's start by removing the number plate so that we can get to the screws that is holding on the big giant box, also known as a OEM plinth. Now that you've removed the number plate, you can get access to the 5 screws holding on the OEM plinth. Just got to remove them all before we try and fry off the OEM plinth. The next step is to just pull the plinth off really hard. The next part will be to get your miniature plinth and install it onto the bumper. It's pretty simple. It's got this locating pin and as well as this ledge that aligns with this hole as a locator. Mark out the 2 holes, pilot drill, and then put 2 screws in. The next part will be to choose your number plate bracket, which will match the size of your number plate. So for example, if you have slimlines, you'd bolt on your slimline bracket followed by a slimline plate. If you had a Euro plate, you would get the Euro premium bracket to mount your Euro plate. But for today, we'll be mounting standard size, also deluxe, onto this GLS. Now to get your number plate bracket onto the miniature plinth, just align any one of the slots to one of the brass fittings. You can choose a higher or lower position depending on what you like, and send in the 2 bolts. The next step would be to get your number plates onto the bracket. This customer has opted for security screws, which is an anti-theft fitting, which just adds a layer of deterrent so that thieves find it hard to steal your number plates. This can be bought as an optional extra. And that's what you call a OEM plinth delete. We've gone from this to this. Cleanest way to get floating number plates onto a GLS facelift. Now this part does suit the AMG line bumpers, so that'll be every variant of GLS facelift except for the 63. I hope you found this video useful and thanks for watching.